I've been reading Burns' Holy Fair, and there's two verses that I thought were rather good. It goes like this: "But now the Lord's ain trumpet touts, till all the hills are raring, and echoes back return the shouts. Black Russell isna sparing." I suppose Black Russell was a minister. "His piercing words, like Highland swords, divide the joints and marrow. His talk of hell, where devils dwell, and our very souls do harrow with fright that day. A vast, unbottomed, boundless pit, filled full o' louring brimstone, with raging flame and scorching heat, would melt the hardest whinstone. And half asleep, start up with fear, and think we hear it roaring, when presently it does appear 'twas but our neighbour snoring, asleep that day." Yeah, falling asleep in the church. Even the most fiery sermon sends people to sleep. That's a good one. What has been happening? I went to a gym yesterday, and there was this apparatus. I had to put my feet in some sort of thing like stirrups, and then it pulled my legs apart, and then I had to squeeze them back in. Then it pulled it apart, and then I had to squeeze them back in. It was just strengthened my thighs and my gluteus maximus. That is one. And then I had another machine where I had to push to strengthen this arm. Push forward all the time. It was a lever. And I could do it when my hand was closed on it like that. But when I had my hand open, there was a pain in this thumb. And then the third one was sitting on this contraption that had a roller behind my thigh, and it lifted my thigh up into the air like that, and then I had to press it down and lift it up and press it down. And when she switched it off, the machine off, the rollers underneath my thighs lifted both my legs up into the air like that. And I had already told her a story about being pregnant, and she said that that's as soon as it was asked into birth position with my legs up in the air like that. So we had fun at the gym. Last night, my neighbour had a coughing fit. Kept me awake. He was coughing for about half an hour. But he went to sleep. He can't talk. He can nod his head. But not much communication out of him. Yeah, they're feeding him through a tube. So, we shouldn't compare ourselves to others. Only look at your own progress. There are some sorry souls here. Okay, that's enough for this morning. Soon. 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 Delivery room. My legs and my position of my legs. I have to exercise these legs to get them stronger. My walking will improve then.